Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to check who's using your Netflix account and log them out of your account. Now you can do this on your browser, on your iPad, or on your mobile phone, or you can do this here on our computer as well. It's the same process. So click on account here. Once you're on your account, scroll down to your account settings right here. And right now you will need to click on recent device streaming activity. And once we're here, we can see who has been using our Netflix account, right? We can see Chrome PC here. We can also see from which country they have been using it. And, we can also see the apps and everything, right? So how can you log out someone that is using your Netflix account? So the first thing, if you see a suspicious activity here, the first thing you have to do is you have to change your password, right? After you change your password, everyone will have to relog into Netflix, and that way you will, cancel all the people that, don't have to be on your Netflix account, or all the people that you want to log out, right? Out of your Netflix account. So this is how to check who's using your Netflix account and log them out the simplest way possible in 2022. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I will make sure to answer all of your questions. Thank you.